So when you open and log in your AEOS account, you come to this top here. Yes, go to my knowledge contracts and scroll down. You will see claim. These are the accumulated USDTs you have earned so far for the week. So you claim it. Once you claim it successfully, it will go to the credit balance. Let's go and check it at the credit wallet. So as you can see, it entered here. So all we have to do now is to place withdrawal. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Let me say I want to withdraw like 29 or so, or let's just do 28. Your wallet address is already there. You have linked it the very time you register to this platform, so everything is just automatically. The only thing you got to edit is only the number you want to withdraw, and you submit the withdrawal. So it will write successfully. So it has successfully requested for the withdrawal. So we are going to wait for few hours for us to receive it, sometimes minutes. It doesn't take that long though. I'm just trying not to exaggerate things. Yes. So here is our withdrawal request history. I think I received notification about this withdrawal. Let me just go and check. This wallet, I created it specifically for this platform, yes, to track my earnings. So let's go and check. As you can see, here is the withdrawal. They charge me a lot of gas fees though, and other platform charges up to $3. It's much. So we withdraw 28 and we receive 25 point something. It's kind of much though. So here is the withdrawal. So that's basically how the withdrawal works. No stress. If you are interested in this platform, you want to start earning or staking your USDT and be earning every single day, let me know in the comment section. Just type AEOS. AEOS. Just type in the comment section and I will put you through. And also, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, you are missing a lot. Believe me, you are really missing a lot on all that crypto updates. Yes, both money making updates, both security updates, how to stay safe in the crypto, how to make more money, how to double your USDTs, all kinds of updates. We drop it on our Telegram channel before even posting it on other social media platforms. So make sure you join with the link in the description of this video or in the comment section. You will find it around this video. Don't forget to like and follow for more.